Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the iSaver settings. At first, when you are in the home, go to the right to see this panel here. Scroll down to the settings, and here you have to click on it and click all settings. Now scroll down to the picture and scroll down to the iCare here. The first thing we can see here is iSaver mode. This is the low blue light mode, of course. We can set it either to low or high. As you can see, it works exactly like this. To set, we have to click OK on our remote. And apart from that, here we have adaptive picture, and we can enable that and click yes, and our low blue light mode will be changed automatically based on our environment, which is our webcam. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.